What's up guys, Riz here for Volti TV, Volti.tv. Make sure you download our app. Now check this out. In front of me is a truck full of Rivians R1Ts heading out for delivery to their owners. If you bought Rivian Stock, this is probably of importance to you. Yes, they are making deliveries. Their vehicles are now going out to customers. At least 3 of them are going out to customers in LA. And the rumors that they're only going out to workers at Rivian, employees at Rivian, probably not the case, because these are just 3 random Rivians on the truck with a Nissan, I think Pathfinder at the bottom, whatever. 3 random Rivians on a delivery truck just going to prospective Rivian owners and customers. So deliveries have begun. Rivians are getting delivered to their owners, and these are 3 R1Ts, the pickup trucks, all electric Rivians. If you haven't seen them before, there they are. First one I've ever seen on a delivery truck, or the first multiple ones I've seen on a delivery truck. So that's the Rivian right there. Obviously I'm in a Tesla, but that's the Rivian, and thank God for Autopilot, because I'm able to trail the Rivian without overtaking it and kind of trail its speed. But the R1Ts, they are the first electric pickup trucks to hit the market from Rivian. So Rivian beat everyone to the punch, beat Ford, beat Tesla, beat everyone to the punch. So if you're looking for a pickup truck that's all electric, Rivian has got you. Well, these are 3 of them right here. You can see the colors. One of the things I really like about Rivian is the brightness, the bright colors, the interesting color choices. You know, they're choosing not to be scared about colors, right? They're taking colors to the next level. So driving one of these down the road, you're definitely gonna be turning heads in these color palettes and color combinations that Rivian has. So if you've ordered a Rivian, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think about the Rivian. If you're excited to get your Rivian, I'm excited for this company. I think just being the first to market with pickup trucks is a great thing, and then making deliveries at the same time is also awesome. So Rivian deliveries are happening to non-employees, I'm assuming. And as you can see, the doors are flush. These doors are kind of popped open, but the doors are also flush. They go flush on the side of the body. Something pioneered by Tesla, and now everyone is copying it. But no worries, copy it, copy away, because it's a great concept, and Rivian has executed it perfectly. So yeah, 3 Rivians on the highway in Los Angeles going for delivery. Let me know what you guys think, and make sure you check out Volti TV, Volti.tv. Thank you.